Thank you for coming here tonight, celebrating us graduating from high school finally. Before we start, Alex, eko po bolo na kami na mamaki ungko kui may mawa bala ko makuha na kami hikino.
Yeah, you.
So,
What he said.
okay, so how I wrote this song was I was listening to a song called Pa'ahana, and it briefly introduced the name Wahiawa. And then I looked at other chants and I was thinking, hey, how come I want an actual Oli, actual mele written just for Wahiawa? So then I got to thinking, a couple weeks, and then the lyrics came out, sent it to his brother Ravian. I tried to tell him, don't make me little kiki, don't make me falsetto, but he don't like listen.
You should figure that already.
But that's okay, it's my brother, I cannot do nothing.
Hi, go. Come here.